Before commencing the block work, the area shall be cleared of all debris, loose materials, or other obstructions. Ascertain that the area to receive the block work is in accordance with the contract drawings and the approved finishing schedule. Block work is construction with concrete or cement blocks that are larger than a standard clay or concrete brick. To make them lighter and easier to work with, they have a hollow core that also improves their insulation capacity. They are available in a variety of densities to suit different applications. They are now used for a wide variety of purposes such as the construction of load-bearing walls, retaining walls, partitions and foundations. What is foundation block work? If your foundation is made of hollow concrete blocks, it's a block foundation. Block foundations utilize a simple design of blocks stacked on top of the foundation footing, joined with mortar, with rebar inside to strengthen the walls.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
That's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also check out other related uploads on this channel. See you next time and peace out.